Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to install a LUND tonneau cover to keep the bed of your Ram dry and protected. When hauling and storing items in the bed of your truck, it's important to keep them protected, so today we're going to install this LUND bed cover in our 2015 Ram. This is LUND's Genesis Elite Trifold tonneau cover for your 2002 to 18 Ram with the 5.5 foot bed. It's made of premium twill weave Haartz fabric that's water resistant and gets secured to the bed with a lightweight aluminum folding frame. It'll keep your bed dry and protected and easily folds up and down for bed access. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. The first thing we're going to do for this install is place the bed cover on the front of the bed. When you put this cover on the bed, look and see if there's a gap between the cover and the front of the bed right here. If there is a gap right there, you need to put the supplied foam tape on the cover, and that's what we're going to do. What you're going to do here is pull the backing off of this foam tape, stick it to the bed cover, take it all the way across, and then install this back onto the bed and trim it to fit to get rid of that gap. Once you have the tape installed onto the cover, place it back onto the bed, line it up, and then you can go underneath and tighten the first set of clamps. Fold the front clamps down. What you need to do is rotate them to get them closer to the bed and line up this plastic jaw with the bed, and that'll tighten it against the bed once you pull on the lever. And do the same thing on the other side. Once both clamps are snug against the bed, you can unfold the cover. Undo the clips on the cover and fold it open. Unfold the clamps on the rear of the cover and place the cover against the bed and tighten them against the bed just like you did on the front clamps. Do the same thing to the other side. Once all the clamps are snug, close the tailgate and make sure that it can close. Make sure you have the bed cover square on the bed and where you want it, and then once you have it in the position that you do want, go back and tighten all the clamps. Once you get all 4 of the clamps tightened, your install's finished. Okay, we got our LUND tonneau cover installed on our 2015 Ram, and it's looking really good. This fabric actually matches the plastic on the bed really well. It looks like it could have been a factory option. Installing it is super easy. All you'll need is a pair of scissors, and I'd say 30 or 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.